This week we're going to do a short development update on the Librem 5 device. Me and my development buddies picked up a USB-C powered hub. Now this hub is interesting. You plug in the phone charger on one side and the charge goes through the hub and also exposes USB ports. We get it all hooked together, it looks great, and we're ready to boot it up. We boot it up and it's boot looping. Yes, we see penguins over and over and over, but only through the USB-C hub. And again, Crafty Guy comes to my rescue. Turns out, we don't want the power brick that came with the dev kit. We want a power brick that can provide 4.8 amps at 5 volts. Now, I don't know how many people have looked at all of their power bricks, but that's not common. And so we're back to needing to go shopping again to pick up a power brick that can provide the needed amperage to power the USB-C hub as well as the Librem 5 dev kit so that it might not boot loop. Some of you are thinking, well, why not use the battery as well? That did not help. We can power it from the battery. We can even have the battery in while we power it from the hub. That will result in a successful boot and a useless USB-C hub. For some reason, booting this way, nothing powers up over the USB-C hub. No mouse, no keyboard. Very frustrating. In addition to the power brick, we're going to need a SIM card adapter as well. It looks like to me that my mini SIM, micro SIM, whatever the hell's in most smartphones now, is going to need one of the adapters to make the SIM card readable. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.